In today's episode of the incredible Peppa Pig collection, we're going to be reading Grampy Rabbit's Boatyard. Grampy Rabbit's Boatyard. It's a lovely sunny day. Peppa, George and Granny Pig are going out with Grandpa Pig on his boat. Ahoy there, Peppa and George, shouts Grandpa Pig. I'll move the boat a bit nearer. Be careful you don't hit that big stick, Grandpa, says Peppa. That's a mooring post, replies Grandpa Pig. I won't hit it. Grandpa Pig's boat hits the post. Grandpa, there's a big hole in your boat, cries Peppa. Crash! Oh dear, Grandpa Pig's boat is sinking. A captain never leaves his sinking ship, says Grandpa Pig. The boat sinks to the bottom of the river. Granddad Dog arrives on his boat. I'm taking my boat to the boatyard today, he says. Would you mind taking mine too? Asks Grandpa Pig. Of course, replies Granddad Dog. Where is your boat? I'm standing on it, says Grandpa Pig sadly. Granddad Dog's truck lifts the boat out of the water. Next stop, the boatyard, says Granddad Dog. What is a boatyard? Asks Peppa. A boatyard is where broken boats get mended, says Granny Pig. The truck arrives at Grampy Rabbit's boatyard. Ahoy there, me hearties, bellows Grampy Rabbit. What happened to your boat, Grandpa Pig? Someone drove it into a mooring post, says Grandpa Pig. Can you mend it? Of course, says Grampy Rabbit. Vroom! Grampy Rabbit examines the hole in Grandpa Pig's boat. I need to find something to patch it up, says Grampy Rabbit. Grampy Rabbit collects scrap metal. He uses it to mend boats. Grampy Rabbit has lots of scrap metal. He has used some of it to build a submarine. He fills it up with water, says Grampy Rabbit, so it's very good at going down, but not so good at coming up. Grampy Rabbit finds an old washing machine. Now this is what I've been looking for, he says. You're going to mend my boat with a bit of old washing machine? Asks Grandpa Pig. Yes, says Grampy Rabbit. Grampy Rabbit covers up the hole with the old piece of metal. There, good as new, he says. Hooray! Everyone cheers. Now we test it, says Grampy Rabbit. Everyone goes back to the river with Grandpa Pig's boat. It floats, cries Grampy Rabbit. Usually they sink on the first go. Now we can go for our first day on the river, says Peppa. Grampy Rabbit plays his banjo and everyone sings the boat as the boat bobs up and down. Quack, quack. Thank you for reading this book with me. I hope you enjoyed this story. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to watch the rest of the incredible Peppa Pig collection series. Bye! See you next time!